tayo sa Family Day ng Knights of Columbus Council A451 para sa Family Day Sports Pledge ngayong araw na to. Magkita-kita na tayo sa San Agustin 2 Covered Court. Tara na guys, punta na tayo doon.
Yahi, Brother Angelo Magpilla, and Brother Strong Mamuya. Bila na po, usap, dalawa. Correct, first shot. Oh, hindi na shooter's bounce. Second shot for Brother. Oh, hindi na nagbabounce shot si Brother. Hindi na ginamit. Next shooter, Broleo Biglason. First shot. Oh, 1 point for Broleo. Second shot, Broleo. Wow! Napatunayan kong walang nangyari kagabi sa Broleo. Kaya kami 500 para kay Broleo. Next, so kick. 1 point for Broleo kick. Second shot. 2 points for Brother Kick. Out with Brother Leo Biglason. Next, Bro Angelo Montilla. First shot, good. Second shot. Okay, tatlong na ulit ang pahit natin. Okay, next switch. Brother Sean, first shot. Oh, good. Malinit po ang mga players natin na kamera. Oh, just missed the second one. Okay, para sa ating final. Tatlo, Brother Leo, Brother Jello, and Brother Kit. Tig-isa na lang po. Tig-isa ang tira na lang. Uy, grabe, mainit. Oh, thank you, Brother Kit. Next, Brother Jello. Oh, doon tayo pa rin. Tig-isang shot ulit. Uy, dinuwa. 500. Congratulations, Brother Jello. Ang ating champion sa Pitro Shoot-Up. Awarding Brother Leo. Para po sa aming venue. Sinapasalamatan din po namin ang ating mga kapatid kasi City Health Office. Magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat. Maraming salamat po. So, maraming salamat din kay Brother Kit. Hinahit para sa ating mga t-shirts at saka sa sound system po. Thank you. Sandin. 150. Oh, 500 daw. Okay, first plate natin sa mga bata. Joseph Franz Wu. 2 shots. Ang next po ay si Prince. Sunod na Prince. Kids to mga kids. Uy, bakit dyan? Bakit ka na dyan? Ha? Hey, 500 din. Paghirapan niyo 500 din eh. Abot ba? Abot naman, di ba? 500. Retro. Ha? Wala, hindi daw kaya? Oo. Hindi daw kaya. Doon na lang. Sa ano daw? Dito lang daw. Ayan. Dito lang. Dito. Ayan. Dalawang tira. Oh, okay. 250. Hey! 2 shots. Huh? 2 points for Atep. Let's go, bro. Twins, Vargas. Second shot. Almost. Next player. Lee Nolasco. Lahat ng bata pila na dito. Lahat ng bata, pila na. Whoop. Ay! Gumulong. Next. Carl Nolasco. Sino si Carl Nolasco? Siya? Ilan taon ka na? 14 ito eh. Yun na lang. At sino yan? Ano pangalan ni Kuya? Ilan taon ka na? Ha? Ha? Sean Michael. Ilan taon ka bro? Kuya? 15 na eh. 12 sa baba. Dapat sa ako ka ng senior. Meron ba? Kids? Lalaki. Ayun, kids. Wala na, tatlo lang. Ayan, babae. Wala na lang. Ayan, salita ang babae. Wala na ang ating champion para sa free throw shootout. Meron ka? Si Princess pa pala. Sorry. Okay, wala na lalaban. Totoo na to. Champion Joseph Fran. Category Champion Joseph Fran. Salamat po sa ating t-shirt. Care of DK. Care of Kids Yahin. Brother, maraming salamat sa iyong mga pa-t-shirt. Congratulations. Umarekta, Gerani, umarekta. Umaras, umarekta, wala. Umarekta pala. Radio ng Randy, Coach Kid, pinasa sa ilalim. Pasala. Duwag, without fouls. Out. Tira. Ano ba yan? Nakapit na. Our score 7-6 in favor of PNP. Butati. Sinasa sa ilalim. Ilang foul. Wala. Down. Foul. Foul counted. Sabi ni Rep. Magkano abutan natin dyan? Foul counted. 1 free throw only. Ano score? 8-7. Oops! Pasok. Our score 9-7. 1 minute and 10 seconds remaining. Coach Kid with a 3. Sablay. 2-3. Sablay. Team B with a 10 points. Ang hirap kasi na. Ay, bakit ba nakakaramdam ako ng persahan? Score, Team A 11, Team B 10 points. 30 seconds remaining, Coach Kid with a 3. Wala. Last 30 seconds. Okay, kakagawan. Nakuha ni Tami, nakuha ni Rometa. Pasok! Nice! Team B, 12 points. Team A, 11 points. Direkta ni Ken. Direkta. Supply, sana. Pasok. Nilihirap. Last 7 seconds. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Our first shot is done. Score natin 13 goals. Lead scorer lamang na 1 point. Team A. Luciano now. inside. Pero gets this. Elgin gets the steal of Tuleo. Guzman back on top of the key. Off to Servida, baseline. No. 13-12 pa rin ang score, Zelo. The basketball off to the cutting Elgin. Shot off the glass. 15-12 ang ating score. 3-point lead for Team A. Game off to Leo. Cross to the corner. Shot clock winding down. Time, no. Ball stolen. Cross court pass. Shot fires, too strong. Sila now on the offense. On the cross. Behind the back pass, Elgin looks for a teammate. The kick out, Jello, all open. Factory. for 2. 17-14, 2 minutes, 40 seconds. Corner 3 ball, straight away, reverse good. Great shot there from the corner. 6-point lead now para sa Team A. Here's Leo. Looking for the first shot. There's Chris. Pick up on the game. Servida trying to make an answer. Close that time. 2 minutes, 15 seconds. Up to the baseline. Shera down pass to the bola. Looking to seal. 2 minutes remaining. Servida. Oh, what a great pass. Wasn't able to convert. The ball will stay. 1 minute 50 seconds remaining. 20-14 ang ating score. 6 na puntos sa kalamangan ng Team A. Still a 6-point lead lane. Corner. Shot miss. Rebound again. 8 ball. Ball will stay. 1 minute 30 seconds remaining. 1 minute 30 seconds. Big time shot there. First shot and first made basket. Baba sa tatlong kalamangan. 20-17 ang ating score. Running shot by Elgin. Wala. Team gets a rebound. Leo on the front court. 2-on-1 break. Off to Leo with a ball fake. Kick out para kay Dane. Ice pass to the cutting teammate. There is a foul. 1 minute, 7 seconds remaining, 20-17, 3-point lead from Team A. Layup on the first. Lane gets a rebound. Baba sa isang kalamangan, 1 minute. 1 minute remaining. Isang puntos lang alamang ng Team A. Cello trying to make an answer. Bounces off. Team gets a rebound. 2-on-1. Here's Leo all open. There's a pick ball again. 40 seconds remaining. 40 seconds. Oh, the lead now goes to Team B, 21-20. Oh, Leo with a steal. Step and pop. Look at that time, 30 seconds. Lamang ng isang Team B. Number 10, shoot. Shot clock is off, 24. Goes all the way, sala yun. Offensive rebound. Fading away, wala pa rin. 4 seconds. 2 seconds to go. Leo, to beat the clock. End of the first.
Bagay niya tinetechnical na eh. Last 5 minutes tayo, ayun yung ano na, sino na? Pwede, bata, pwede. Pensa na takaw. Winning the ball by number 13, pinasakay. Laudato, nag-stress. Wala. Rebound by Vargas. Tumira ng close. Wala. Rebound again. Good. 2 points by tap out. Ayun, isa. 23-22. Tama ba? Tama! O sige, ang pinagagawa mo. Ang pinagagawa mo. You got our 3 points supply. Pwede pala yun? Walang depensa? 2 points by Team B. Our score, 91-24. Favor ng tap out. Score 21-26, favor of Team B. 3 minutes and 20 seconds. On time, tumira 2 points. Wala. 6, lamang na sa puntos at knockout. 1 minute and 30 seconds. Pinasa na po sa blue, tumira. Sobra ka. Atek, with the 2 points! Wala! Let's go, wala talaga. Kamtato, direkta, binatay ni Oten. Yung spin mo, direkta, wala. Lock, late. Wala ako. Duwan, first foul. Gagawin natin lang. First free throw. Wala ko matay. Second free throw. Wala to. Check. Otem! Wolski, tumira na tres. Pasok. Una ano, commentator. Last 50 seconds. Team A, 30. Team B, 26. Play more time sa Team A. Dos marcas. Ano lang? Wala! Last 45 seconds. Last 35. Boskin, ang mga pinasa sinaling ko. Alati, tumira wala. Rebound by number 32. Uy, grabe yun. Tinawag ako sa may tumira yung tres. Eh, wala. Sinasa kay number 12. Sisilaya. 28-30 pa 14. 76-15. 56-14-13. 5, 8, 7, 6, 5.
Yung guys, nakauwi na tayo galing dun sa Family Day Sports Fest ng Knights of Columbus Council 8451. Tapos na din po yung Family Day Sports Fest ng Knights of Columbus. Nakauwi na din tayo. Thank you for watching this video. Please comment, like, and share na din po. Body Elgin Digis Vlogs, Elgin Digis Vlogs. Thank you for watching, guys, and please support our Facebook page, Elgin Digis Vlogs, and our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye. Bye bye, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Please hit the notification bell and subscribe button para lagi kayo update sa akin mga videos. Bye bye.